Hey guys, I just found a bat. I just found a bat. I just found a bat. I don't know why I'm saying that, but it's really cool. I can't find it. There it is. Cool. It's a bat. It's a bat. It's a bat. It's a bat. Bat. Wow. I found a bat. It's very good. It's a bat. 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 It's a bat. 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 There's the bat. 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 Bat, 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 bat,
No, every one of his
bat,
girlfriends
bat,
has been absolutely insane.
bat, 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 bat,
There's two of them. You get a picture of them?
There's two of them actually. Bat, bat.
You get them?
Yeah, there's one right there and there's one right there and one right there.
We'll be laying in bed and then all of a sudden, and then I'll like move and it'll go.
Oh, Rachel?
And I literally have to leave the room until it clears out because it's that bad. Trust me, there are very, very few things you can do to actually stop.
I see Rachel at bowling.
Oh, but that's probably the last of I. Oh, there they are. There's two of them. That's awesome.
You know that, but I'm like the definition of it.
During 2 minutes, when it's 2 minutes, I'm gonna close up unless I don't. There they are.
He knows if he goes to the bathroom, he's back.
But even Mrs. Sarah, I said to Rachel,
And he's
Mrs.
like,
Sarah,
really, Jade? I'm like, well, I mean, you weren't here, so.
Sarah's wife answers the phone all the time.
But no, he's like, he
hello?
wants to be like
Oh, hi,
proud.
Rachel.
Like, yeah.
How are you? All right, hang on a second. She like puts her on
You're.
hold. Hey,
Fry, are you done?
Oh, there they are. I just saw them in the corner of my eye, not the camera, just the eye. Wow, that's so cool. Well, bye, guys.